Hi everyone, this is Dani Hoyo, professional padel coach for more than 7 years and playing padel for almost 15. It's rainy season here in Singapore and today we cannot go to the court. We are launching today a new playlist called Padel Is Simple. For me, padel is really simple and you can become a really good player just by understanding a few concepts. Yeah, we need the technical part and to spend a lot of hours to become a top player. But I can teach you how to become a really good player while I'll prepare an avocado toast. In order to cook an avocado toast, we need avocado and bread. But no worries, I'm not gonna show you how to cook. I'm just here to say that padel is as simple as an avocado toast. Look what I mean. An avocado toast has two ingredients, bread and avocado. But padel has also two ingredients, how to defend and how to attack. The bread is like the defense. They are the base. Without bread, no toast. Without defense, no padel. The defense is not beautiful, it's not sexy, it's not chocolate, you know? But it's the most important part because without defense, there is no padel, man. And the avocado is the attack. It's the sexy part of the game, it's colorful, it's exciting, it's full of flavor. So we have the bread, the defense, and on the other side, we have the attack. I know nothing about cooking about avocado toast. It's the first time that I cook this, you can see, but I know about padel. I just want to make you understand that to play padel well, it's as easy to know how to defend and how to attack. If you want to learn how to play padel, please subscribe already this YouTube channel and you will learn how to become a really good padel player. And this is a pro padel player with scrambled eggs, with tuna, you know, sauce.